Welcome back! On today's episode, we are going to be making some delicious chocolate chip cookies that are sure to impress your guest. Now, as always, the ingredients will be listed in the description along with the measurements. We have our flour, we have our brown sugar, we have our sugar, we have our butter, we have our eggs, and we have baking soda, salt, and just a smidgen of cinnamon. And of course, we have our chocolate chips. So let's begin. That's really all there is to that. All we gotta do now is put them on a cookie sheet and bake them. All right. Now that we're all mixed up, we're gonna grab my handy dandy scooper here. We're just gonna scoop them onto our baking sheet. And I have my oven preset to 350 and it's nice and warmed up. So I'm just gonna pop these in the oven for about 10 minutes. While we wait on our cookies to get done, let's do some judgy. And for today's, am I the a-hole? Am I the a-hole for blowing up after husband who doesn't cook for us ate my leftover pizza? Yesterday, I, 27 female, got upset because I had pizza left over for myself in the fridge that husband, 32 male, ate after he said he didn't want any when I went and got it. We argued while I passive-aggressively cooked myself another meal. For context, we've been having a lot of issues, one being dinners. I did and still do a lot of the cooking and grocery shopping for us. In the past, I've asked why he can't shop or cook for us more, help me cook, or at least do the dishes when I cook. He says that he doesn't care about eating dinner and would like to eat less because he's obese. So I should cook for myself and not expect him to cook or dishwash. I want to clarify that he is not obese because of my cooking. I cook well-balanced, healthy dinners. He gets pizza or fast food almost every day and has a sweet tooth. Of course, at first, I wanted to help him be more healthy. So I started cooking for myself and getting groceries just for myself. But then he started eating my snacks, the dinners I cooked, and my leftovers. He'd get hungry because he didn't have dinner. You don't say. And would eat a box of Cheez-Its. Not cheese, Cheez-Its. Late at night. I get sensitive when he doesn't leave any snacks or food for me. But he says it's crappy that I complain about him getting food that's available because we can literally just get more. I'm pretty generous with sharing self-designated food. All I ask is that he leaves me some and ask me ahead of time. He does neither. Yesterday, I complained that not only did my leftovers disappear, but now I have to cook for myself and for the person who ate it and who doesn't pitch in. He says that I have a valid argument, that he should cook more. But apparently that argument has been watered down by me selfishly complaining that he ate my pizza because, again, we can literally get more pizza. I said the arguments are related. You should cook more or not eat my pizza when you don't cook. Am I wrong to give him crapola about eating my pizza or food in general? In this context, am I the a-hole? Well, I do know one thing. You don't mess with a woman when it comes to her food. You don't touch my food. But I think they need therapy. And I think they're both a-holes. There's other ways to handle that. Ooh, there is an update. I am most definitely getting a lockbox for my snacks and labeling my leftovers with "do not eat." And while I'm at it, I will also stop doing his laundry. I've just been too nice. I take care of our cats and he feeds them sometimes because according to him, he didn't want the cats in the first place. We've been talking about divorce at only 3.5 years of marriage, but we'll try counseling first. Thank you to everyone except the barista guy. We're gonna find that barista guy here in just a moment. Edit 2. When we got married, I was unemployed and freshly graduated. We decided that I would do the housework as he brought income in. Now that I have a full-time job, the ugly head rears itself. Let's find that barista guy. I think barista guy's comment may have gotten deleted. Now that our cookies are nice and fresh out of the oven, let's put them on a cooling rack. Alright, now just let them cool so you don't burn your mouth. And that, my friends, is some delicious chocolate chip cookies. Everyone needs a simple sweet tooth recipe in their recipe box, and these are sure to meet that sweet tooth need. Enjoy! Go make your own.